Instadapp DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Instadapp is one of the most powerful DeFi platforms, designed to simplify complex decentralized finance operations for both beginners and advanced users. What sets Instadapp apart is its ability to act as a unified interface, allowing you to manage multiple DeFi protocols like Aave, Compound, Maker, and Uniswap all in one place. The platform automates complex strategies such as debt refinancing, leveraging, and yield optimization through its smart accounts. In short, it turns intricate DeFi actions into one-click solutions. For users unfamiliar with managing loans or optimizing yields across various protocols, Instadapp significantly lowers the barrier to entry. Instead of juggling multiple wallets and dApps, you can manage everything seamlessly from one dashboard. During my usage, I found their debt management tool particularly useful. For instance, I could instantly migrate my loans between protocols to get better interest rates without the hassle of manually closing and reopening positions. The automation here is a game changer, especially when volatility spikes, and speed is critical. Another impressive feature is flash loan refinancing. If you're familiar with DeFi, you know how cumbersome it is to rebalance your portfolio without triggering large transaction fees. With Instadapp, I used flash loans to optimize my positions without having to move my own capital, all while avoiding liquidation risks. This is particularly useful for anyone managing leveraged positions. One of the best things about Instadapp is how user-friendly it is, despite its advanced features. The smart wallet architecture allows you to securely manage your assets across multiple chains without needing technical expertise. I personally used the Polygon and Ethereum integrations, and the cross-chain functionality worked flawlessly. Transactions were fast, and gas fees were significantly reduced compared to traditional methods. However, it's important to note that Instadapp is best suited for users with mid to high levels of DeFi experience. Beginners can use it, but you'll get the most out of the platform if you already have an understanding of lending, borrowing, and yield farming. That said, their interface makes it easier to learn as you go, and you're unlikely to find a better DeFi hub that integrates so many protocols in one place. In my experience, Instadapp is a must-try if you're serious about optimizing your DeFi strategy. It's not just a management tool, it's a powerful automation engine that saves time, reduces fees, and maximizes profits. Whether you're managing a portfolio worth thousands or millions, Instadapp streamlines your DeFi operations like no other platform I've tried.